Good morning guys, welcome back to a new video. Today we got what? As you guys see, my mic decided to not stay in place and I didn't realize it until the first stop. So this first part will be me talking from home, trying to remember some of the points I talked about. So without further ado, my name is Hagi and welcome to this video. Today we will be going to Noordwijk, located by the North Sea. I will be accompanied by Flip today on a relaxed ride. So enjoy our little trip from the center of the Netherlands to our coastline. In one of my previous videos I talked about the potential motorcycle vacations. By the time this video will come out, a week later, I'll be starting this trip. For the locations there were some options, and even the choice I made did take a turn when I was booking the hotels. I will be dropping a separate video on this later this week, so keep your eyes open for this. These small roads are fun, but only without too much incoming traffic.
dat zo wagen. Kijk dan, dat is toch een mooi ding, hè?
Dit is wel chic, hoor.
Niet te groot.
We're getting near our stopping place at Noordwijk. It's also quite busy here. I think we're not the only ones going to the beach. But I think we are one of the few who are going in full motor gear. Go this way. As expected, quite busy. Hier planten? Hier gewoon neerzetten? Hier gewoon neerzetten? So a little change of plans. We just had something to drink here at Noordwijk, and the plan was to go to Zandvoort and some plane spotting at Schiphol, but it's really hot. And we just want to go home to watch the F1 race. So we're gonna take a little detour home. I'll be arriving just in time for the start. Away from all the busy traffic. Nice. Whoop. Bodegraven, the place of goed hard motoren. biggest motorcycle store of Europe, if I'm not mistaken. Also the place where I did purchase my Tenere. This road is quite familiar. We used to stay here at the campsite when we were younger. And when I was 16, 17, I used to drive my moped every weekend from home, Utrecht, to Noordwijk. It was fun times.
Stoplichten zijn altijd wachten. De stoplichten.
Altijd.
Ja, altijd.
Doe eens expres. Daarom stuurt hij daarheen.
Ja, hij dacht van, toch?
Ja. Hi guys! Oh, the people! Love it! Keep on waving! Bye! Hello my friends! Getting stuck in traffic. Just a little bit. It'll make you corny. It is me doing stupid stuff like waving overexcited to other bikers. Oi, 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 oi. As you guys can see, and obviously can hear, my GoPro, which was connected to the DJI mic, froze. We were only like 15 minutes away from home, so I didn't bother to stop and fix it. But that was the last sign I needed to make the decision to go look at a new action cam. So stay tuned for that update. For now, this was the video. Don't forget all the good stuff like hitting that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, or leave a comment down below. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next one.